Today, already 91 days, starting from 18 December 2020. Starting from that date, we are standing in front of Chinese embassy to demand from the Chinese government to stop the genocide in the 21st century. We ask the Chinese government to stop the brutal oppression towards the Uyghur people in East Turkestan, towards the Kazakh, towards the Uzbek, and also some other Turkic nations in East Turkestan. We ask from the Chinese government to release our family members. We ask Chinese government to release our fathers. We ask Chinese government to release our mothers. We ask the Chinese government to release our brothers. We ask the Chinese government to release our sisters. Basically, we ask the Chinese government to stop the genocide in the 21st century. It is already 91 days. Okay, 91 days. It's almost more than 3 months. We are standing in front of the Chinese embassy to demand Chinese government to stop the genocide in the 21st century. You have to know that this battle is not between Uyghur and China. This battle is between humanity and inhumanity. This is the battle between democracy and fascism. This is the battle between, what they call justice and injustice. This is the battle between Western values and the communism values. This is the battle between Western countries as well as China as well. This is not simply the battle between Uyghur people and the Chinese government. So we want to call international community. Please stand up with the humanity. Okay, the issue is more than the religion. The issue is more than the culture. The issue is more than the racial identity. This is a basic crime in the 21st century against humanity. So we want to ask international community to stand up against Chinese Communist Party. Because this is not only the battle between Uyghur people and China. This is the battle between Western democracy and the Western democracy and Chinese communism. You have to stand up. We want to call international community to support the Uyghur people, save the Uyghur people. We want to thank those countries, especially USA, Canada, and Netherlands. They declare this one as genocide. But unfortunately, most of the Western countries, they close their eyes towards this genocide. Please stand up, it's before too late. Okay? So you have to stand up with not only the Uyghur people, but you have to stand up with humanity. This is the humanitarian crisis in the 21st century. So we want to call international community to stand up against this rank evil. Otherwise, the day of Uyghurs one day will be yours. Now, we're telling to the world how evil the Chinese government is. We are telling how evil the communism is. Okay, you should stand up to support the Uyghur people. And also, I want to say that maybe just one country was strong enough to conquer the China. But all countries we can come together, we can say no to the China. We ask the Chinese government to stop the brutal oppression towards the Uyghur people. And also, we want to ask the Chinese government to stop, what they call basic humanitarian crisis in the 21st century. So, one country not strong enough to say no to China. But all Western countries we can come together. Those people who believe in the Western values. Those people who believe the Western democracy. Those people who believe, what they call the values of Islam. We can come together, we can say no to the China. Please don't think this is just issue of the Uyghur people. No, this is basic crime against humanity in the 21st century. So that's why we want to ask international community to take some action. It's before too late. Please support Uyghur people and ask the Chinese government to stop the genocide in the 21st century. As I said, this is not only the battle between Uyghur people and the Chinese government. This is the battle between democracy and communism. This is, the battle between humanity and inhumanity. This is the battle between justice and injustice. So we want to ask to stand up with the Uyghur people. It's before too late. Also, I want to call my brothers and sisters in Malaysia, Indonesia, and Turkey as well. We are at the Muslim, okay? This, as I said just now, the issue is more than the religion. The issue is more than the cultural identity. The issue is more than the racism. It is basic crime against humanity in the 21st century. Please and support us. Please go to the Chinese embassy to demand the Chinese government to stop the genocide in the 21st century. Do you know that? Actually, I'm living one very rural area in East Turkestan. My hometown is very far from the city center. But I came to know that there are more than 50 mosques being demolished by the Chinese government. This is not only responsibility of the Uyghur people, it's responsibility of the whole Islamic Ummah or Islamic nation to also support, to save this mosque from Chinese governments as well. So that's why we want to call, the Muslim world as well to take action against Chinese Communist Party. As I said, this is not only the crime, not only the battle between Uyghur people and the China. It's battle between, what we call is against Islam as well. So that's why we want to call our brothers and sisters in Indonesia and Malaysia to stand with Uyghur people, to support the Uyghur people, ask the Chinese government to stop the genocide in the 21st century. Please take action, it's before too late. And also, according to our religion, saving a person's life is equal to saving the Ummah, the Muslim Ummah. So that's why we want to call, the international community as well as the Muslim world to take action and ask the Chinese government to stop the brutal oppression in the 21st century. Ask the Chinese government to stop the genocide in the 21st century. Thank you. Please spread my videos and also please take action. It's before too late. Thank you.